Hey guys, Mr. Sackler here. Quick video on how to use the bathroom log to get water, to go to the nurse, or just to leave my room in general. So when you go to the computer, you're going to put your student ID in the first column, in column A, but make sure you don't put the letters. So for example, if I were to type in the student ID over here, and you would hit enter, you'd see that the student's name appears in the first name, last name category. You'd then go to the location. You're going to click the drop-down menu to select where you're leaving to. And then for the time out, time in, this is how you're going to check in and check out of the class. In order to do this, you go to the check in and check out tab over here, and you click check in or out when you leave. And then as soon as you get back, you're going to click on the time in category, and you click this function one more time. It will calculate how long you were out and then calculate your total time over here. If you cannot use this bathroom log, then you will not have the privilege of leaving my room. So make sure that if you don't know how to use it, you watch this video to study it. Have a good one, guys.